Earlier this week, Republican Governor Asa Hutchinson of Arkansas signed a near total ban on abortion into law. The measure allows abortion only if the mother's life is in danger. Joining us now is Rose Mimms, Executive Director of Arkansas Right to Life. Rose, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it. So tell us a little bit more about this law. What else should we know about it? And why do you think it was important for lawmakers to do this now, to pass this bill?
Well, the Arkansas Unborn Child Protection Act, SB 6, as many know it, was designed to challenge Roe v. Wade. I mean, Arkansas is the #1 pro-life state, and we have passed over the years many pro-life laws. And, you know, last year, 2019, in fact, our last session, we passed a trigger law, which in the event of the overturning of Roe versus Wade, that we would return to our original pre-Roe law, which is abortion only for the life of the mother. So we thought, why not this session go ahead and pass a bill with the 3 justices that the Trump administration was able to get confirmed. We feel like we may have a good chance, so we went for it.
Yeah, and I know the law provides an unclassified felony for those who perform an abortion with a fine of up to $100,000 or 10 years in prison or both. Rose, what are your thoughts on that? What do you think of that penalty? Do you think it goes far enough?
Well, we were careful not to charge the woman because we didn't want to do that. We've never been punitive when it comes to the mothers. And certainly the abortionist needs to pay a high price for, you know, violating a law that protects innocent human life. So, I mean, we could have gone a lot farther, but I think what we've got is a fair punishment.
And what do you think comes next? I know abortion groups have said that they'll block the measure before it takes effect next year.
Yes, that is their typical MO. I mean, we've been through this many times before. We pass good pro-life laws that protects lives and saves women from making such a tragic decision of abortion, and they continually enjoin them, you know, challenge them as soon as they're effective. And we expect that with this one, and, you know, that's just what they do. But, you know, we're going to forge ahead. You know, we're not going to let that stop us. You know, the impact of this legislation, people talking about it, people reading about it, you know, it always has a positive effect, whether the law actually goes into effect or not. And it'll be in the court system for a number of years, and we'll just see, you know, if it is the one that will cause Roe v. Wade to fall. That'd be awesome.
It would be awesome. Can you tell us what other pro-life efforts are going on in Arkansas right now?
Well, we have, gosh, so many pro-life bills right now working their way through our session. One that I've been particularly watching and working towards is an ultrasound law. Right now we have a law that just offers the screen to be shown to the mother if she wants to see it. Well, it's called the Right to Know and See law, and it would make a must display on that ultrasound screen so that it would be there. If the mother chose to look at it, she could. If she wanted to avert her eyes, she could do that. But it also gives a verbal description of the unborn child and the development, where the baby is, you know, if there's twins, you know, all that information that a mother really needs to have before she makes that life and death decision of an abortion.
Well, Rose, thank you so much for coming on. We really appreciate it, and thank you for what you do. Rose Mimms, Executive Director, Arkansas Right to Life.